Thank you! I'll be here all week, San Francisco! Okay, Galaxy, good show, but now we need to shove off. I'm done for the night. Photos later, I guess. God, this city's disgusting. What? You? Green Galaxy. Been a while, old pal. You get away from me. You can't touch me. I won't have to. Galaxy? The punk rocket lives forever!
Green Galaxy, the rock star? Deaf?
Yeah, his hearing's gone now. Seems permanent. Say, where's Cyborg?
We had a little security problem a couple nights ago. He's dealing with that. So do we know who attacked Green Galaxy?
Yeah, someone managed to snap a picture and we found a match. Greg Davis, a former associate of Galaxy's. Any of you remember the band from England, the Punk Rocket?
That crappy punk rock band that split up a year ago?
Nope. Okay, who are you?
Blue Beetle.
You guys are freaking multiplying. But yeah, they split up shortly after they kicked Davis out of the group for being too reckless. Well, when the other three split up, they each went on to find their own success. Meanwhile, Davis tried creating a new hit single called Sounds of Chaos.
I remember that ear sore.
So did everyone else. That's why he failed.
So he's going after the other band members out of jealousy. Not to kill them, but to deafen them so they can't play music again.
And he took the old band name, Punk Rocket, as his alias, it seems.
Who are the other two band members?
The drummer is Basher Bob. He's found success in a new band. The other one is Trevor Hardy. He did play the keyboard, but now he's a professional pianist. They're both in the city. Eckhart's been trying to get them under police protection, but we don't know where they are.
Keep Eckhart away from them. He's as helpful as a potato. We'll find them.
Any luck?
Well, the security's back online, but I've got nothing on the brain or where he took our friends.
Cyborg, we could really use your help on this Punk Rocket case.
But what about the others?
I know someone who can look into it. Trust me.
Yeah?
Hector, it's Jaime.
What do you want?
I need to speak to Nadia.
Whatever. Nadia! Phone!
Hello?
Hey, it's me.
Jaime, how have you been?
Oh, you know, same old, same old. We need your help with something. You're a hacker, right?
I prefer the term computer expert, but yeah. Why?
Could you do some digging on the Brotherhood of Evil? Literally anything you can find concerning their whereabouts, possible hideouts, anything at all.
Yeah, sure. Anything that'll help.
Alright, thanks. There, now we can focus on Punk Rocket. Anything for Trevor Hardy or Basher Bob?
I've got Basher Bob. He's part of the band Blue Skulls. I have his hotel room. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Basher Bob. Whoa! Greg? That's a lot of noise, pal. I'm sure the other hotel guests don't appreciate it. What do you want? And how'd you get on the balcony out there? We're on the 14th floor, mate. It was easy, Bob. And so is this.
Stop it, now!
Or you'll do what? How about we find out?
I didn't know he could do that.
He isn't deaf. It looks like the sonic sound waves were stopped before it could do permanent damage. But he still has to recover. Doctor, I'm stationing some officers here to guard him. Okay. Still want Eckhart left out of this?
At least Basher Bob wasn't deafened.
It's a good thing we had those earplugs.
Crocker, I don't doubt your cops, but some of us are going to stay here too. Just in case Punk Rocket comes back to finish the job.
Which of you are staying here?
I am.
Me too.
I suppose I shall as well.
So that means the rest of us are looking for Trevor Hardy.
Yeah? We've got Hardy. We're taking him to Safe House 6. Noted. Well, Eckhart found him.
This is ridiculous. I have a concert tomorrow night, and I am not just gonna sit here.
I don't think you realize this, Mr. Hardy, but you are in danger of losing your hearing.
But he won't lose it.
Oh no, we are not doing this. This is a police matter.
Eckhart, what did I tell you? That doesn't work with them, so shut up! There you are, Trev.
What's your problem? I was good to you.
Didn't stop you from kicking me out of the band. And then you go and act as if you're above rock. Classical pianist, huh? Well, no more! Hardy, get back here! Go! Get him! Ah! What were you thinking coming up here, Hardy? And I always thought Basher Bob was the dumb one.
Mr. Hardy, it's time to go.
Why? Why can't you just let justice happen?
Because you're insane.
This city will hear the sounds of chaos! My masterpiece!
Your concert's been canceled. Oh, God. You. This has to end. Not again!
Dude, don't blame yourself.
He keeps getting away. And it's always my fault.
What happened?
Red X happened. Again.
But Punk Rocket's been stopped and Hardy's safe. And Nadia's still looking into the Brotherhood of Evil. I'm sure she'll find something.
Basher Bob's gonna recover too, so there's that.
And Red X is just gonna keep taunting me.